We strapped them to helmets, mounted them to bikes, dunked them underwater, and even live streamed from the road. Because action cameras aren't just about specs, they're about surviving real adventures. We tested 5 of the most hyped action cameras this year, and here's what actually held up when the adrenaline kicked in. We kicked things off with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and it instantly felt like a camera built for creators who don't want to babysit their gear. The 1.13-inch sensor delivered crisp 4K footage at 120 frames per second, and the stabilization was rock solid, even on bumpy trails and handheld vlogging. We tested it in rain, dust, and underwater, and it didn't flinch. The dual OLED touchscreens made framing shots easy from any angle, and subject tracking kept us locked in even during fast movement. Battery life was solid, and the waterproofing held up without a case. Whether you're into sports, travel vlogging, or just want a camera that won't quit mid-adventure, this one's a beast. The UI is snappy and the footage looked great straight out of camera. Minimal editing needed. Check the description for product links and best prices. This is the action cam that's built to keep up with you. We've used every GoPro since the Hero 5, and the HERO12 Black continues to refine what made the brand iconic. The 5.3K 60 video is stunning, especially with HDR turned on. We tested it in bright sun and low light, and the 1 to 1.9-inch sensor handled both with impressive dynamic range. Stabilization is still top tier. Hypersmooth kept our footage steady even while trail running with no gimbal. Live streaming worked flawlessly, and webcam mode was surprisingly useful for remote shoots. The 27-megapixel photos looked sharp, and the new color profiles gave us more flexibility in post. It's not a radical upgrade from the HERO11, but it's the most refined GoPro yet. If you want a reliable all-rounder action cam with a massive accessory ecosystem, this is still the one to beat. Tap the description for product links and best prices. This is the GoPro that earns its spot in your kit. We mounted the Insta360 X5 on a helmet, a chest rig, and a selfie stick, and every time it delivered jaw-dropping footage. The 8K 360-degree video is cinematic, and the invisible selfie stick effect is still pure wizardry. Low-light performance was noticeably better than previous models, and the AAA chip design made auto edits feel smarter and more intuitive. We tested the rugged lens system and loved that you can swap them out if damaged. Huge win for long-term use. The built-in wind guard helped with audio, and the 3-hour battery life meant we didn't have to stress during longer shoots. Insta360 software continues to lead the pack in post-production flexibility, and the footage looked polished even before editing. Hit the description for product links and best prices. This is the camera that turns every adventure into a cinematic experience. The X3 may not have the X5's 8K punch, but it's still one of the most versatile cameras we tested. With dual 1/2-inch 48-megapixel sensors, it captured 5.7K 360-degree video and 72-megapixel photos that looked fantastic. We used it for vlogging, travel, and even live streaming. It handled everything smoothly. The 4K single lens mode at 60 frames per second was perfect for more traditional shots, and the Me mode made solo filming feel effortless. AI editing tools were intuitive, and the touchscreen was bright and responsive. It's waterproof, durable, and compact enough to carry everywhere. For creators who want 360-degree flexibility without going full flagship, the X3 is a smart pick. Tap the description for product links and best prices. This is the action cam that adapts to your style. We wrapped up with the HERO13 Black, and while it's not a massive leap from the HERO12, it does bring some welcome refinements. The 5.3K 60 video is still gorgeous, and compatibility with HB series lenses adds creative flexibility. We tested it with ND filters and lens mods, and the results were cinematic. Stabilization remains elite, and the new HDR tweaks gave us better contrast in tricky lighting. It's waterproof, rugged, and still the easiest camera to mount anywhere. The UI is snappy, and the battery life held up during long shoots. If you're already in the GoPro ecosystem, this is a worthy upgrade. If you're new to action cams, it's one of the most user-friendly options out there. Check the description for product links and best prices. This is the GoPro that keeps getting better. We didn't just review these cameras, we used them in real conditions, underwater, on trails, in low light, and during live shoots. Drop your questions in the comments. We'll reply with what we actually saw and felt. And if you want more gear tested the way it should be, hit that subscribe button. Your adventures deserve the best camera. We're here to help you find it.